Toyota Landcruiser 150 Prado, but works on a lot of Toyotas. This little hack for installing your handbrake shoe clips. This is the one that hasn't been pulled apart yet. Still got to do this side, but just give me a look at what it looks like. And those clips you've got to get to in there. Now what I've found, the best hack that I've worked out so far is to actually install the springs onto the pins beforehand with a cable tie through them. So then you got your hands free to work on the shoe install and your dog bone and adjuster setup. Then at the very end, all you got to do is snip that cable tie and pull it back through the spring. If you look carefully on this one, you can see I've fed it through the hole on the back base plate there with the little tongue and around the spring to hold it in place. So